Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be making restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we're going to be making the famous Murray's grilled hot ham and cheese sandwich. So tune in, and I'll be putting this stuff together. Alright. Okay guys, I'm back. Let me show you some of these ingredients that we're going to be using today. I have some turkey right here, and this is oven turkey. That's what it says on the package. I can show you that right here. Hershire Farm turkey breast, oven roasted. Okay, we got the ham, the cooked ham. We're going to be using that. We got some mild cheddar cheese slices. We got some white mild cheddar cheese slices right here. So this is the white one. And we also have sourdough bread that we're going to be using in this recipe. And since I like my stuff real cheesy, I'm going to go with the Velveeta today. And that's what all these is right here. Alright? Jump right into it. It's easy peasy. Alright, we're going to put those to the side. We're going to get our bread out. It's a little easy meal. I like to go to the middle, get the thicker pieces. We're going to be making 4 sandwiches today. Okay. Alright. So we're done with that. We can start putting these bad boys together. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put that to the side. Like all this other stuff we don't need, so we already have it. So, take our bread, like so. Stack them up like that. Alright. I like to put mine like that, so we're going to be putting all this on both sides. Alright. We're going to take our Velveeta cheese. We're going to just put that on there. And make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, it looks like you guys can see it, but I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Like so. Come back around here. Put our other cheeses on there. Alright. Just like that. Alright. Okay, well, then we're going to go in with our ham. I try to fold mine a little bit. Then we go in with our turkey. We may need some more. Like that. Alright. Then we're going to go in with our other cheese. So we're going to put that on there just like that. Okay, that's one down. Actually, you can put it on the meat. It's one down. You just fold it like that. You can go this way, that way, however you want to do it. And my turkey. So we're going to put 4 of these on there. So I'm gonna have to get some more turkeys. Alright. Our cheese. Mild cheddar and white cheddar. Alright. I'm gonna finish these up over here, and then I'll meet you over there at the grill. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna turn our eyes up. We want it to cook slow as possible. We don't want to cook it fast. Slow is good. Alright, we're gonna spray this down. I got some spray butter. If you don't want to use the spray butter, you can use the regular butter that you have, margarine or whatever you have. I'm just going to spray this down on this side. See that? Then we're just going to take them bad boys and just flip it over here. Alright? That's all we're going to be doing. Scoot it over this way. Spray it down. Now for you garlic lovers, this is real good with garlic on it. So we just flip it. I mean, it's the bomb with the garlic. Just lightly season it with garlic. Not garlic salt, with garlic. And you can use some herbs or whatever else you want to put on it. I'll just flip it. It takes a while for that cheese to start heating up and melting. So that's why we want to cook it real low. Yeah. Put that on there. Like that. Alright. Just let it cook. I'm going to go ahead and let that cook and let it brown up a little bit. See if you guys can see that. Alright. Then I'll be back. Oh, how about now? Forgot my lights were off. Okay, can you see that? That's what we're gonna do. We'll be right back, okay? Hey guys, I'm back. Forgot to show you, I'm just going ahead and spray this side as well. And if you guys new here, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll be trying to work diligently to bring you guys restaurant quality food from my home to yours. Okay? That's what I do. I started this channel because I used to go out and buy a lot of food in restaurants. And I'm like, I worked in a lot of restaurants. Why I'm not making my own food? And I was like, okay, let me go ahead and start making my own food. And I started making my own food, and a few people tasted it, and they were like, dang, dude, this stuff tastes better than the restaurant. And I was like, okay, alright, that's what's up. And I've just been making food like that ever since. So, okay, saying that to say this, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I turned it one time, and I'm going to turn it again. See that getting brown up under there? Oh yeah, it's getting brown real beautiful. Woo! And while you was gone, I did sprinkle a little garlic powder on it. Just a crumb dusted. That's why you see all them little specks on there right there. We're going to go ahead and flip this again. See that? That's why you want to cook it low. Plus it warms up the meat. See all that goodness? See how this one doing over here. I like to keep smashing a little bit. Not quite ready. Looks a little bit, that one looks a little bit better than this one. So I'm gonna smash on that a little bit more. That's that cheese you're hearing. That tss. Okay, let me see if this ready to be turned. A little bit longer. You get the idea. Once this brown up, I'm gonna go ahead and take it over there, cut it up, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'll go ahead and slice up this last one. Look at that. Oh, you see all that cheese? Oh, that's good. Okay, let me go ahead and set this up a little bit. Put it on this plate. Take this board away. Put this table right there. Okay, there you have it, guys. Right there. Famous Murray's grilled cheese ham sandwich. So guys, if you like this recipe, feel free to make it. I promise you, you'll love it. I'm going to go ahead and turn this, put this down a little bit. Just that for you. We can let you guys get that first bite, okay? Okay, here's that bite for you, right here. Alright. Go ahead and click the first bite. Alright. I'm gonna bite. That is so amazing. Ridiculous. You know what set it off the most? That garlic. That dust of garlic made a big difference. You guys definitely have to try this recipe. Look at that cheese. I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Here it is. The famous Murray hot ham and grilled cheese sandwich. Also, I want to add, please do like this channel. Please comment, whether it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Okay? And subscribe to this channel, where I'll be bringing you restaurant quality foods all the time. From my place to yours. Let's get kicking.